this is Sherry from Donnelly Ford out in Mount Vernon. I have an Escape to show you today. Come on, let's take a look inside. This is an Elite all-wheel drive. And you do have smart entry, so you never have to be fumbling with keys. You come up, put your hand in the door, and as long as you have the fob with you, the door will unlock. You can also lock your door right here. Come on, let's take a look. Inside we have black cloth seats trimmed with black leather with red stitching. This was a demo vehicle, so it does have a little over 3,000 miles on it, and you will see that reflected in the discount that it now has. This comes with heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, a dynamic camera for when you back up, programmable buttons to open your garage door at home for your convenience. This also has a larger screen for your convenience. You've got navigation built in, so if you go up here to the search, you can search for recent destinations, destinations you saved, gas stations, food, shopping, or just your local attractions. Of course, you have all your standard safety features: collision mitigation, road departure, lane departure, adaptive cruise control. Several outlets to plug in your devices, as well as a wireless charger. You also have plenty of room in the back seat. I'm just under 6 foot tall, and as you can see, there's a good distance between my knees and the seat in front of me, even with that front seat pushed all the way back. Your backseat passengers have their own plugs for their devices, so there's no struggle over who can plug in. There's enough plugs for everyone. This is a great little fuel-efficient car, and because it's a 23, Ford is offering you some fabulous incentives. Come in and take a look at what you can get for 72 months on this little car. If you have any questions, give me a call, 740-392-2222. I'm on extension 3014. And again, this is available at Donnelly in Mount Vernon.